It's flight time with Uda!
Hi there, I'm Uda, the Unmanned Teaching Assistant. A lot of folks ask about flying your drone over people. The short answer is, don't do it. According to the FAA's Part 107 operating rules, you can't fly directly over people. This rule applies to flying over anyone that's not directly involved in your drone operation.
Today we're going to be talking about operational rules flying over people. According to the FAA's Part 107 operating rules, do not fly directly over people not involved in the drone operation.
Do not fly over people.
If you're flying over a structure, you need to treat it like it's fully occupied and make the necessary precautions in case of anything unexpected, like mechanical failure, loss of signal, or people or property, like cars entering the area.
If you are flying over a structure, you need to look at that structure as being fully occupied and make the necessary precautions. It's always recommended that persons in the immediate area not directly involved in the operation of the drone be notified of the operation. The rule does not specify a safe distance from people. A safe distance is considered one that if the drone were to be in an emergency situation, it would not pose any risk to or harm to individuals or property.
Now, there's no safe distance specified, but in an emergency situation, your drone must not impose any risk or harm to people or property, so keep it a safe distance at all times. If the FAA has to investigate an accident, one of the first questions will be, what safety procedures did you put in place to mitigate the risk?
When you arrive on site for an operation, look for the people, because people are unpredictable. You need to assess your mission and the likelihood that it will be affected by people. A designated crew member for crowd control may be necessary.
It's recommended that you notify anyone in the area not in your operation of your presence. You can use things like cones, a landing pad, a safety vest, and even a crowd control crew.
If the FAA has to investigate an accident, one of the first questions will be, what safety procedures did you put into place to mitigate the risk?
Can you operate that drone outside of traffic areas? It's good to consider while your drone's in flight the multiple escape routes you might need to take.
So, do your drone a favor and be aware of all the moving parts at your mission's location. Be sure to fly safely away from people and all hazards.
Please subscribe to this channel, and may all your operations be safe, reliable, and repeatable.
Visit droneeducationservices.com for more. Subscribe to our social media and be sure to register your drone at faadronezone.faa.gov. Fly safe, fly often, and have fun.